This is the tools that I'm gonna use. First we're gonna take the socket 14 millimeters. You have to remove the cover because the bolts is over there which holding the seats. Okay, and we need to unscrew those two bolts. Okay, I just unscrewed those two bolts. By the way guys, be careful with those covers because I broke one of the teeth. So after you unscrew it, just flip the seats upstairs like this and you're gonna have a lot of space. Okay, what we got here? Okay, here we go. Okay, we need a Phillips screwdriver and turn those plastic bolts clockwise guys, like this. Then we're gonna take flat and it's stick to the body. Okay, this is it. All right. Okay. Oops. No sensor here. Okay. How I'm gonna open it? I'm gonna use hammer, and I'm gonna use, where is my another screwdriver? And I'm gonna use heavy screwdriver. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit with the hammer to this washer counterclockwise. So I'm gonna hit it in this place and try to turn the washer counterclockwise. Okay, but before I do it, I'm gonna clean it everything. Alright, I finished cleaning everything. Now I'm gonna try to open that washer. I'm gonna place the camera like this, guys, and you're gonna watch it. The other side, this is the passenger side. This has only sensor. The other side, it has a fuel pump. So, but the same story over there. So I did the same way on the other side. That's it. Nothing hard. Same story over there. Okay, I'm gonna clean it so nothing is gonna drop inside the tank. Okay, now I'm gonna try to, yes, beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Oops. Same story here, guys, but without the pump. I'm gonna show you how dirty is it and why it's not working. So this is the sensor, and you see how dirty is this. So the contact missing, and you got error on the dashboard. So I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna clean it the same way like I did on the first video. Okay, my advice to you guys to use plastic gloves, so your hands is gonna be clean and not gonna smell. So what we have here, same story like on the other side. I'm gonna try to wear the gloves. Don't forget about the racks, because it's gonna be, everything is gonna be, the fuel is gonna spin all around the car. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, okay, so I think it's same way. I have to push it like this, it's very hard. Yeah, you see, it's come out. Okay, like this, and this is the sensor itself. All right, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so first of all we're gonna remove this black, I don't know, this is safety thing, this black stuff. Okay, and then with your hands open those teeth. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Those teeth, they holding that movable part of the sensor. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it very easy, so you're not gonna broke it. If you broke, nothing gonna happen anyway, it's not working. Okay, same story. 2 contacts. Okay, focus. Okay, I'm gonna clean it. With the sandpaper or something similar. Light, very easy, like this. Then I'm gonna do like this, so it's gonna make better to apply pressure to the movable part of the sensor. And now the sensor itself. Alright, how you can see, it's really dirty. No focus, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it. Okay, okay, it's easy. Just clean it until you see it's clean. Okay. And this, you can use sandpaper. 800 should be enough to not damage it and keep it good and clean. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna clean it in the rag, right like this. Beautiful. Same here. And I'm gonna check with the meter. I'm gonna measure resistance again. Okay, and same way, put it back. Make sure it's make contact. Okay, where is my multimeter? Okay, this is the meter. Okay, meter is working, great. Okay, it's hard to do with, I need assistant. Maybe I'm gonna hire one of you guys to help me with my next video. Так. Okay, let's try this way. Let's see what it shows to us. Okay, beautiful. If I move the lever, it's gonna change conductivity. So everything is working. Resistance, you see, sensor is proper working condition. So this is it. Easy. It's gonna take you like maybe like 30-40, 1 hour, about around 1 hour, guys. Nothing crazy, nothing scary. Okay, just let's put it everything back and we finish here like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna start the car. Okay, the wires should be okay. I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, the hardest part is to put the washer back. Okay, so this, oh, I forgot something. You see, I forgot this locker again. Okay, be careful guys, do not drop it inside the tank, because you're not gonna be able to find it. Okay, that's it. Okay. Washer, the gasket has, it's different. Two sides they have different, so you have to put the washer in this way, gasket this way. Okay, this way. So this way. Okay, make sure it sits on the place. We got yellow dots over here, so you know how it should be. Okay. Okay. And same way, you hammer, use your hammer and lock it. Doesn't wanna go. Something went bad. Okay, this side is going, this side is not going. Okay, like this. Okay, good. Okay, great. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen now. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's see if it's helped or not. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Now it's working, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.